Hey guys, thanks for coming back, and for those of you who are new, thanks for coming. If you're new, my name is Jessica and I like to create videos that are based on luxury, fashion, and beauty. So if those are things that you're interested in, then please consider subscribing and go ahead and like this video. Today I am doing another unboxing. This unboxing will be for the Saint Laurent Kate 99. This I'm pretty excited about because I honestly haven't really seen this bag on anyone. I've seen the Kate, but I haven't really seen the Kate 99. And you guys know I love things that are not like overly saturated. And then also this bag is very versatile, which again is one of my favorite things as well. So if that is something that you're interested in, then keep watching. Thanks. Okay, you guys, so while I unbox this, let me tell you guys how I came about getting this bag. So this I got from the YSL private sale, which was like last week. I randomly got on YouTube taking a little break, and a YouTuber by the name of Mel in Melbourne, who I was not subscribed to her channel until literally that day. Once I saw her video, I subscribed. So I'm not really even sure how she just popped up on my screen like as soon as I logged into YouTube, and she was doing a video on a private sale for YSL. And she was, talking about how the sale was not in every single country. So, I went ahead and looked online and I'm like, well, let me see if this sale, is happening in the United States. And it didn't look like the sale was happening in the United States from the website. But I called because I love a sale. Who doesn't, right? So I called the boutique that's here in, the city where I live, and asked. And I'm like, I'm just like, oh, is the sale only in store? Like acting as if like I knew that like there's a sale in the United States, right? So I'm like, is the sale only in the store or is it also online? And the person who answered the phone was like, oh no, it's in the store, but it's also online. And so she's like, give me your phone number and I'll send you a text of the items that are on sale. So she sends me, so I give her my phone number. She sends me like a text, which is like pictures of certain items that are on sale. So I go into the website and start typing in like some of the items so that I can like read kind of about these items and see like, okay, is this about the size that I want? And as I'm typing stuff in, it's bringing up private sale. So I'm like, wait, okay, so the private sale is online, but it seems like you just have to know what to type in. So it brought up so many different items. I think there were like over 600 items, but of course that includes, not just bags. So bags, shoes, clothes, jewelry, but I was only interested in bags. So it brought up so many different things that she didn't initially send me. Of course, I wouldn't expect anyone to text me 600 photos of, the things that are on sale. So yeah, I just wanted to say that so that people who, don't realize that like these sales also apply to us that live in the United States, that was something that I just recently discovered. So thanks to Mel in Melbourne for putting that out there for everyone to know, because I had no idea about the sale. I had heard that Saint Laurent always did sales, but I never knew when they were occurring. I do have Saint Laurent items, but I've bought them from Saks because, as you guys know, I hate to pay full price on things. And Saks always, they always have random discounts here and there. So I was really excited about this because I actually got this for 30% off. And I love it, and I'll get into why, but I did just want to let you guys know that, so that in the future, if you guys are ever wondering like, oh, when is this sale going on? You can always go online and type in, literally it was just private sale, and see if there are any items that come up. Okay, so now that we've got that out of the way, this is the Saint Laurent Kate 99 with Tassel. So looking at it, it looks a lot like the Kate, but it's different. So the Kate 99 is more of a baguette, which I'm excited about because I actually was looking at the Fendi baguette for a while, but I think it's now around 3,000, if not a little bit more. And I didn't want to spend that. So when I saw this, I was really happy. Also because I love the tassel. I just love the tassel. But okay, so the bag comes with the box. For people who are familiar, well, actually for anyone, right? So some YSL bags, for whatever reason, don't come with a box. Like, I think the larger bags just don't come with the box, which I don't know if they've changed that, but I know previously only the smaller bags like this one come with a box. So it came with a box, came with the dust bag. We'll go ahead and open it up. So I guess I should tell you, this bag retails for $17.50, and then I got it for 30% off of that price. And my favorite thing, not sure why this was included in there, but yeah, so I secretly already opened this bag, you guys. I secretly already opened the box yesterday when I got it. But repackaged it and everything so I could show you guys how it looked. Anyway, so my favorite thing about, well, one of my favorite things about this bag is that it comes with a long strap, which is not a chain strap, which I love chain straps, but I love the fact that this one comes with just a regular suede strap, because that's gonna make it look more casual, right? Which means that we can wear it different ways, because it also comes with a chain strap. And the chain strap is not a long strap, which I love because I like to wear my bags this way. Normally when it comes with a longer strap, a longer chain strap, I'm usually doubling the strap over to wear it this way. So this one just comes with this, and then also comes with a longer strap. So what does that mean? Versatility, which is something that I always look for in a bag. And then it's got an inside pocket, a big inside pocket, and then a zip pocket. It's got the authenticity package in here. So this is in the color Pebble. It does come in other colors. It comes in other suede colors, and then it also comes in leather. And then I also saw that it comes in suede that's croc embossed, which is something new to me. Like, I didn't even know that was a thing that brands were doing. I had only seen the croc embossed previously with leather. But yeah, so this bag does come in the croc embossed with suede, if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, so of course the different ways you can wear it. Definitely just wear it over your shoulder as a baguette. Wear it like this, you know. And then the way that this, so it doesn't have clasps. It's just kind of like, I'll show you guys what the ends look like. The ends look like this. So you can't mix and match other chains, like chains from other bags, which you guys know I like to do. But actually that won't even be necessary for this bag, because in addition to that shorter strap, it comes with this. So this is how I would wear it if I'm wanting to wear it casually. Because to me, I probably, like, to me, just like the suede strap rather than the chain strap makes it look casual. So this I probably wouldn't wear if I'm like trying to dress up. If I can get this through, that would be nice. But yeah, let me know if you guys have seen this bag anywhere, because even when I was like, before I purchase something, so this is why I like to make these unboxing and review videos for you guys, because before I purchase any like luxury item, honestly, even just regular items, sometimes even if I'm like looking for something that I want to get from like Zara, I'll do a quick YouTube search to see like if I want to see like the sizing or something, right? If it's something I'm ordering online, I'll do a quick YouTube search before I purchase, just to kind of see like what people think about it. Is it good quality or that kind of thing? So that's why I make these videos. So before I purchased this bag, I did a YouTube search, and I didn't see one single review on it. I saw reviews, tons of reviews, of course, on the Kate, because that's been out for years. I don't know when this came out. What I did see, because what I also do, sorry to get off track, but what I also do, in addition to looking for reviews on YouTube, I will also go to Nordstrom's website, because they always have reviews of items, what I've noticed, even though I prefer to shop at Saks just because of their discounts that they offer. Oftentimes they don't list customer reviews on their website. Nordstrom, however, always does. So I went to Nordstrom's website, typed in the Kate 99, and read some of those reviews, and people liked it. And that's literally all I could find. I didn't see a review video. I couldn't find one. So I forgot where I was going with this, but anyway, so that's just kind of why I make these videos. So yeah, love this, because then we can just do it, wear it casually, just kind of over the shoulder, right? And for reference, I'm 5'7", if anyone is wondering, so that they can figure out where the bag will hit them. And I didn't put this strap on right, that's why it's kind of twisted. But then we can also do crossbody. And that looks nice like that. And I also went with this color because I felt like, actually, this was the only color that was actually part of the 30% off. But I would have went with this color anyway, even had the other colors been 30% off, because I felt like this was a neutral color, so that I could honestly get the most wear out of it. I could wear this with anything. So was happy about that. And then let me show you guys how you can wear it as a clutch as well. Just pop these out. Oh, also the strap is adjustable. So. The strap does have little holes where you can adjust the strap. It seems to be only 3, but still. So you can make it longer or shorter if necessary. And then you can wear it as just as a clutch. But the primary way that I will likely be wearing it is with the short chain strap, just because I love chain straps. To me, chain straps can even be casual. I think my casual is a little bit more dressy than other people's. But yeah, to me, this could still be casual. So I love it. There was one thing I wanted to mention about the sale, because how I was mentioning that you can go online and type in the private sale. Sorry about that, guys. My camera just died, so I'm finishing it off on my phone. So hopefully the lighting and the positioning is not that much different. But what I was telling you guys is that when you go online and you type in private sale, the sale has now ended, but just in the future, you'll be able to see the sale items, but you won't be able to place an order online. You can place a regular order, but you won't get the 30% off. So in order to do that, what you'll need to do, and this is, I know this just because this is exactly what I did, call the store and then speak to an associate, and then you'll be able to place the order through them. So that's what I had to do. She sent me a secured link, and I was able to purchase the item that way. So I just wanted to clarify that, because that may not have been very clear in the beginning. But so yes, this is just an unboxing. Like I said, I just got it yesterday, so I haven't yet worn it. I haven't yet wore it. So I can't speak to, you know, anything like that, wear and tear or anything like that. But first impression, I do like it. I'm satisfied with it. I'm happy that I got it for 30% off, because would I have paid $17.50 plus tax for it? No, I just wouldn't have. I like it, and I think that it's very versatile, which I love, but I I think that for $17.50 plus tax, there's probably a bag out there that I would have liked more. But for the price that I got it for, I think it was like, I think with tax and everything, it ended up being maybe like 13. I don't remember, but for the price that I got it for, yes, I'm happy about it and I'm satisfied with that. So yes, this is, like I said, it is called the Kate, so what do they call this? YSL Kate 99. There's a bunch of extra words on here, but it's just the Kate 99 with the removable light suede pebble. So it's kind of written in code. That's why I'm reading it that way. But yeah, and then I've also seen this called the Saint Laurent baguette. I can't remember which website I saw that on, because like I told you guys, when I did my initial search trying to find any kind of review like on it, I was hoping to find a video but didn't find a video. But I did see, like I said, Nordstrom's website had customer reviews, and I can't remember what other website I saw it on where they called it a baguette. So yeah, and you can see it's kind of not structured, right? So maybe that's where the baguette name is coming from. But yes, I love it. So hopefully this review was helpful for someone, this unboxing rather, was helpful for someone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you guys felt about this video in the comments. Let me know if you like this kind of content, or if there's anything else that you'd like me to review or discuss. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.